From the Bill Anderson studio on the County Line stage, performing their original song, Duke City.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cynical Bird.
Ain't no snow, but it's still cold. 5K high and drier than dry. Drier than dry, ain't she pretty? Duke City up in the east, we got frosty peaks. Whoa, in the valley, geese and cranes eating up the seeds and grain. My blood is red and green, cherry and silver too, if you know what I mean. Ain't she pretty? Duke City, ain't she pretty, my love? Duke City, I'm at Lomas and First, and I got a power for third. But marble yells don't fit. We got New Mexico beef. Ain't she pretty? Duke City, yeah. Ain't she pretty, my love? Oh, Duke City, ain't she pretty? Duke City, yeah. Ain't she pretty, my love? Duke City.
Wow!
Catchy.
Duke City!
Oh, are you going to guess vocal?
I think I might have to at
That
one of
was
their
really
shows.
infectious. I absolutely can see why they draw a crowd when they play their shows just
Yeah.
out around town. That was fun. It was
Groovy.
lively.
Fun,
Yeah.
vibey. Those guys rock.
It checks all the boxes on what
Yeah.
you would want to see.
And they looked amazing.
They did look amazing. Very well
Wow.
dressed band.
Great job,
Yeah.
Cynical Bird. Be sure to give them a follow on
Yes.
Instagram, guys. That's going to be at Cynical Bird. You can find them. I think they have a website as well, cynicalbird.com.
Check them out. Yeah, give them a follow.
Yes.
Listen to their music. Go support them at their shows.
Duke City.
We'll just end it on that.
Stuck in my head.
We'll be right back.
All right.